Hey guys, last time that we left off, we were still modeling the frame, so let's continue. In the next video, we will model the engines, so let's get started. Duplicate the part at the center, isolate it with Shift H, select these faces, Ctrl numpad plus to grow the selection, Ctrl I to invert the selection, X, remove the faces, put the 3D cursor in the hole, then change the pivot point to 3D cursor and rotate the model. Go to the front view and align these two pieces. Select the top faces and snap them with the top faces on the right side. Select the edges of the bevel and do that again. Select these edges, SX0 to flatten them. K to select the knife tool, press C to cut through, and add a cut like so. Select these edges, right-click Loop Tools, Space. Select these faces and remove them. You need to have the same amount of edges on each models to be able to bridge the gap properly. Rotate a little bit. Remove these 3 extra polygons. Right-click Bridge. Remove these 2 edges. Select the knife tool and connect the vertices like so. Remove this loop. Connect the vertices on the other side as well. In X-ray view, you can remove the edges at the bottom. Adjust the bevel. And remove this edge. Select these 2 loops. Right-click Set Flow. Set Flow is a free add-on. The link is in the description. It allows you to get a better curvature. Do the same on the other side. Select these edges. Right-click Set Flow. Right-click Subdivide. Then select the knife tool again and add a cut like so. Let's create diamond polygons to get rid of the n-gons. Select these vertices. Right-click Smooth Vertices. Move these vertices to get a better distribution. Add a support loop around the circle. Mirror to the other side. Select these faces. Shift D to duplicate, P, separate by selection. Move the new piece downward, set the pivot point to 3D cursor, press SY-1 to flip the faces, and repeat the previous steps. Remove these faces. Ctrl J to join both models. Right-click Bridge. Remove this loop. Select the faces, Shift N to flip the normals, K for the knife tool, connect the vertices, select these 2, M, merge at center, do the same on top, M, merge at center, merge these 2 vertices. Remove these 2 edges to get rid of the triangles. Select these edges, right-click Subdivide. Select the knife tool and let's add diamond polygons. Press C to cut through. Select these edges. Right-click Set Flow. Do the same at the bottom. Select these edges, right-click Loop Tools, Space. mirror to the other side. Now select this part, scale it on the z-axis to make it thicker, move the other parts like so. They have to be on top of each other. Now let's reduce the topology on the wings. Select the vertices and merge them like this. Remove these edges, select the vertices, GG to slide them along the edges, select these edges and remove them. Remove also this loop. Select these two loops. Right-click, set flow to get the curvature back. Select these edges, right-click, loop tools, space. And repeat again. Mirror on the z-axis, and mirror again on the x and y-axis. Now let's select this border, Shift D to duplicate, P, separate by selection. Extrude on the z-axis and snap the edges at the bottom. Ctrl R to add support loops. Duplicate it and put the cylinders on each side of the frame. Let's add some Allen screws. Add a circle with 6 sides. Scale it down. Extrude and scale the vertices. Add some loops. Right-click, loop tools, circle. Select the faces. Right-click, subdivide. Right-click, loop tools, circle. Scale. Raise it a little bit. Extrude to add some thickness. Select the sharp edges. Ctrl B to bevel, P to set the shape to 1. Press A to change the size of the bevel. Connect the vertices like so. Add a loop between the triangles to turn them into quads. Mirror. Select the inner border. Grid fill the gap. Merge these vertices like so. Same on the other side. Remove these edges. Add a support loop and a bevel. Select these edges. Right-click, mark seam. Press L to select the UV island. Press 1 to turn the selection into vertex mode. Ctrl numpad- to shrink the selection once. Right-click, smooth vertices. And now you have to put your screws in every holes on top and at the bottom of the model. You can also add more cylinders to attach the frame. And that's it for this video. In the next one we will focus on the engines. If you enjoyed the video, please like and comment. It helps my channel to grow and it's a simple way to say thank you for the content that I share with you for free. Thank you for watching. Bye.